Number 2. EdgeStar DWP62 SV Countertop Dishwasher. Consider the EdgeStar Countertop Dishwasher for a cost-effective and compact option for your dishwashing needs. This Energy Star model is affordable, costing just a few $100s, and saves you money in the long run by using minimal water and electricity. With the EdgeStar Countertop Dishwasher, you can clean a load of dishes on the normal cycle with less than 3 gallons of water, providing significant water savings compared to hand washing. This budget-friendly portable dishwasher is designed to fit under most standard kitchen cabinets, measuring about 22 inches wide and less than 18 inches high. It comes with quick connector hoses to easily set up next to your sink and can wash up to 6 place settings at a time, offering 7 different cycles to choose from. The dishwasher includes a dish rack, cup shelf, and cutlery basket for organization, but keep in mind that it can only accommodate dishes up to 10.5 inches in diameter. While this dishwasher operates quietly at 52 decibels, it's worth noting that it can be a little noisy during draining. This is something to consider if you typically run your dishwasher at night or have sensitivity to sound. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.